Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the Mivi 5-port USB smart charger. So let's get unboxing. The Mivi 5-port USB smart charger is a desktop charger which provides 5 USB ports so as to be able to charge multiple devices from one outlet. The charger supports Quick Charge 3.0, which is supposed to charge up your device at least 4 times faster than normal charging. That is, if your device supports Quick Charge. I bought this for ₹1699 on Mivi.in, that is after using the coupon code available below in the description. The original price is $1999. As with the Mivi car charger I had reviewed earlier, this device also incorporates the ultra protection circuits to prevent overcharging and heating of the connected device. The charger can also detect the device connected and provide the fastest charging the connected device supports. The charger connects to a standard wall outlet via a cable provided. The first port is the quick charge port marked in orange. The port can provide a current of 3 amps, which is useful for fast charging. The other ports support up to a max of 2.1 amps. A 1-year limited manufacturer warranty is provided. So let's see how it works when we connect multiple devices. It does seem to get hot when running at its maximum capacity, that is all 5 ports are connected. So that's understandable. But for 1 or 2 devices, it won't heat up. Also, if we connect a quick charge device to the first port, that is the 3 amp port, the remaining ports can output only 1 amp each, as the charger can deliver a total of 8 amps. So let's start off with the things I didn't like, or basically nitpicking. There is no indicator light to show that the device is on. It is pricey, but if you combine the cost of 5 chargers, it turns out to be similar or lower as per the devices you have. My S9 Plus doesn't seem to fast charge on this too, similar to the Mivi car charger I had reviewed earlier. But there are pros. There are no issues of overheating if not taxed to the maximum limit. Multiple devices can be charged at the same time. There's a 1-year warranty provided. And if you're traveling and have a dearth of power outlets as in most hotel rooms, this can be a 1-for-all charger as long as you carry the corresponding USB cables for the devices. All in all, it's a good multi-USB hub charger with Quick Charge 3.0 if your device supports it. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching.